Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn Introduction to World Literature together, step by step. World literature is writing that travels beyond the country and language it was born in. A poem from Japan or a play from Greece can speak to you today because it asks questions every human asks. How do we love? What is just? Why do we suffer? The setting may feel distant, but the heartbeat underneath is one you'll recognize as your own. Most world literature reaches us through translation. A translator rebuilds the work in a new language, choosing tone and rhythm along the way, so two translations of the same poem can feel different. Think of translation as a bridge, not a perfect mirror. Read for the spirit of the piece, and let footnotes and the introduction guide you toward what the original culture valued. Watch one theme, the cost of ambition, appear in two cultures. A Greek king's pride leads to his downfall, while an Indian warrior wrestles with duty before a great battle. The costumes and gods differ, yet both stories ask whether reaching for greatness destroys something inside us. When you notice the same idea in distant texts, you're doing real comparison, the core skill of this whole series. Before you judge a foreign text, give it context. Ask when and where it was written, what that society prized, and what it assumed its readers already knew. A medieval epic may treat honor differently than we do. And that's not a flaw, it's a window. Reading on a work's own terms keeps you from misjudging it, and it makes the surprises far more rewarding. Here's your toolkit for the journey ahead. 1. Hunt for universal themes that connect distant works. 2. Treat every translation as a careful bridge. 3. Compare how cultures handle the same human question. 4. Place each text in its own time and place before you judge it. Carry these 4 moves with you, and the whole world of literature opens up. Great work! Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.